big sprinkle fan, but I know it's a waste of space, but it's good. Good donut. It smells like grape. I can't use it. It's covered. Or is it a candy straw with paper? Yes, it is. Ooh, that's good. I think there's a real straw inside with a
paper straw.
Oh. Coming to you from the People Mover for like the official location to get all the updates on the Tron Construction. It's been a little bit since I've been here, so I know that they're already putting up some support members for the track and stuff like that. And look what they're doing at the... Are there people riding it? Oh, the cast members that move around. This is going to open up really soon, the Tomorrowland Speedway. So that's exciting. And look at all those posts already up for Tron. That looks awesome. Look, check it out. Wow, they're really getting moving on this Tron Construction. Before you know it, we're gonna see actual pieces of the track start showing up. This is awesome. Also, the Tomorrowland Speedway, that's gonna open up soon. I cannot wait to ride the new track layout. It's a little bit shorter for Tron, but totally worth it. Okay, so hopefully our photos turned out well and I'll be able to insert them in right about now. Chris and I are the only ones that knew where it was, so Mom and Dad's and Nick's should look very funny. He was probably on his phone, weren't you, Nick? On your phone during the photo op?
About it? Oh.
Probably.
Yeah, during this last one? Yeah, I think I bit the bullet.
Yeah, bit the bullet. Hopefully our photos are good and I can put them in. Alright you guys, it has already rained here today, which means we are heading out of here. It's hot and humid and we're done. So it was a fun Mother's Day. Did you have a good day, Mom?
I had a great day.
Alright, well thanks for joining this adventure. I hope all the moms out there had a great Mother's Day and I'll see you guys in the next video for the next adventure. Bye guys.